Fine guys, all's good. Today is the first episode of Unpack. I have started a new session Unpack where I will be bringing for you many technological informations with latest news on smartphones, laptops, PCs and many other smart accessories along with some techie talks. I will tell all people should watch this video till the end as you will find more interesting in watching and listening such techie talks and you will also gain some knowledge. I will also urge you to comment your questions, your doubts to the comment section below and I will be trying to answer all your questions in the succeeding video. Namaskar, this is Anir. Warm regards for watching X Classroom. We should go on. Before starting, I will tell subscribe X Classroom and click bell icon and see all latest videos fast. Smartphones are essential assets of everyone's life. Everyone has a smartphone because it gives them many advantages in different critical situations. So every person wants to buy affordable smartphones and one of that kind is Redmi. And so Redmi Note 9 is going to be released in global market on the month of May 2020. This phone will feature a Full HD Plus display along with 4100 ampere battery which will comprise of 4 GB of RAM along with 64 GB of internal storage in the base variant, and it may also get released in upper variant which will comprise 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It will feature Android 10.0 operating system and a processor of Helio G70, a gaming processor. So let's hope for the best. We all are waiting for this phone and whenever it will get released we will be doing the review and unboxing of this smartphone. LG is also not behind any other smartphone companies. LG has made and is going to bring a very innovative slim designed LG Velvet and it is set to release on May 7, 2020 on global market. This smartphone will feature 1440p, that is QHD plus resolution screen along with Snapdragon 765 processor with a 2.3 GHz clock speed, and we are going to see a 4 GHz of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage on this smartphone. The rear camera will comprise, this main camera will be 48 megapixel which will comprise 3 cameras on it, and the front camera will comprise of 16 megapixel, and we are going to see Android 10 version on this smartphone. So guys, it will be a very interesting and innovative designed smartphone. The trailer has launched and you can see on the screen. So it will be a very good smartphone and I am very eager to see this smartphone, and whenever it will be available in my country I will be doing this unboxing and review for this smartphone. Realme is going to bring Realme X50M 5G model in the month of July 2020 on global market. It will feature a processor of 765G with 2.5 GHz clock speed and a 5G variant too. It will have a quad camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera, and in the front you will have 2 cameras with 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel in that. It will feature a battery of 4200 milliampere, and there will be 2 variants of this smartphone. One is of 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage, and other will be of 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It will also feature Android 10.0. OnePlus just launched OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8. two variants of OnePlus 8 series. Now, a leak is coming from leak renders that OnePlus may launch another small variant of OnePlus 8 series, and it will be OnePlus 8Z. This will may feature a high powered MediaTek processor or Snapdragon 855 processor, along with Full HD Plus screen and 48 megapixel main camera setup with triple camera, and in front may be a 16 megapixel camera with 4000 mAh battery. It's just a leak till now. Maybe due to COVID-19 they are delaying the release of this middle budget OnePlus phone. It may come on the month of July, so whenever it will come we will deal with this model. Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is also going to be launched alongside Note 20 series on the month of August, or maybe this time in July, as according to leak render Max, he is telling Galaxy Fold 2 along with Note 20 series may be released on the month of July. In Galaxy Fold 2, this time we were able to see a stylus pen, that is S Pen, like the Note 20 series, along with dual displays, one of with 4.3 inches, the small one with Full HD Plus screen, and other will be 7.6 inches QHD Plus screen. It will have the processor of maybe a 5 nanometer processor, or it will features Samsung latest Exynos 990 processor with a punch hole Infinity O display. Till now, this much information we get from the leak renders. Whenever I will get more information about this innovative smartphone, I will convey it to you. I think you liked this video and you got many useful informations and many techie informations what is happening in the world related to smartphone industries in the first episode of Unpack. So I must tell, subscribe X Classroom and comment in all videos your doubts, your questions and many others. So I will be back with another episode of Unpack. Till then, stay home, stay safe, enjoy to your full spirit.